Yes.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, we're back, and today on We're Back with Miles, also known as Milvus Games. Link in the description. I'm actually putting it in the description this time.
Oh yeah.
So today we are baking cakes. Exciting.
We don't know how to make cakes.
We also don't have a recipe. We have the ingredients over here. I don't know if you can see them because Julian and Fraser are our cameramen.
And they're both a bit dumb in the head.
Shut up.
Okay, we have a dog on set.
It's Mickey.
Mickey's down here.
Oh my god, look at Mickey.
So, we don't have the recipe to make a cake, but we have the ingredients. There's how much of the ingredients we need. All we know is that we need sugar right now.
Miles, what are you
Be a
doing?
professional, Julian.
Miles, stop.
Petting the dog.
So please stop, Miles.
Oh, Mickey Dad.
No,
Where's the dog?
right
Doggy
there.
dead.
That sick doggy
Is he
dad.
supposed to be eating that?
What's she eating?
Oh,
Wait.
Is she meant to eat those things that are like poisonous to people as well as every other being?
Are they?
Hello,
Whoops.
Professionalism. That's a good play. We didn't do the high five, but I don't move my hand.
Just-
The spice.
Okay.
cake.
Also, we only have a knife and spoon each. Exactly. Miles, you ready to bake, cake,
Yeah.
and disaster?
Alright.
That's the
Okay.
thumbnail.
That's the thumbnail.
Fraser, I need you to time.
Okay.
Do you have a phone on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good.
Cool, you're so cool, Fraser.
Oh,
5 minutes to prep. 3, 2, 1,
One.
stop!
Ah. Sugar, yeah, sounds sugar.
I don't know how to make a cake.
Really? I just thought this would be a good idea.
Oh no.
They suck.
Why is
So
water
much.
in the cake?
I don't know. Probably. I think
This is
so.
just milk.
Rule, you're not allowed to ask each other for help.
Hey Leo, can you help me?
Sure.
It's spicy.
I don't know how much sugar I need, so I'm just gonna put it in like this much.
As you can see, they're both sucking very, very hard.
Shut up, Fraser. Okay, we'll go for the fun.
1 minute left.
What? It's 4 minutes 20 seconds.
Shut up!
But that's nowhere near enough flour.
Let's just go with this much butter. What are we gonna call this video, Miles?
Cake?
Question mark,
What?
exclamation mark.
Miles, here's the butter. I will take the flour. Thank you very much. Miles, you're the one who asked to use spoons.
Oh yeah! I'm using your knife.
There's so much more stuff in there.
Remember, you're allowed to put anything in your cake.
Oh, am I allowed to get another bowl?
Another bowl,
No,
Oh, crap!
you can do it in one bowl.
Something just occurred to me.
You could half a bowl. Put a bowl in half.
How do you melt the butter?
Yeah, you gotta put the whole bowl in the microwave.
no. Need the egg whites, I think, possibly.
Yes, that's a good idea. Leo, you're so clever. And then you can use
You
the
have 3
egg.
minutes left.
Leo, then you can use the egg yolks for the icing, or just throw it away like you're doing. Cool, good job.
I don't know how many eggs I need. How many eggs do I need?
Like, kind of melted it.
So Miles is softening the butter with his clammy hands.
I washed my hands.
Like, I don't really know how to make a cake, but I'm almost damn sure that's not how you're supposed to make it.
I can hear the moistness
I like
from
how
here.
Fraser said almost sure.
I can hear the moistness from here of your head, just like that. It's
They were
terrible.
like that much more.
Yes, Leo, that is that butter.
Oh, I can hear that.
So Miles has given up on his cake in Bethesda.
So moist.
Oh, you little.
2 minutes left.
I have this.
2 minutes left for prep time, then you have to put it in the oven.
How
Wait,
long?
do we have things to put it in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
This is just the mixing bowl.
What am I?
using the mix.
I'd mix it up now if I were you, like Leo's doing.
Nah, you gotta put milk and stuff in it.
Damn, Miles.
I mean, if it's not mixed up, do you reckon it's gonna be like in the actual oven, you idiot? Add more sugar to it.
I put a ton of sugar in it.
More.
No.
You can put drinking like chocolate in it. That'd be nice.
I still have chunks of butter.
Oh my.
I despise you, Miles.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. Miles just using my fidget spinner to crack open an egg.
Miles, Leo was much better at this.
I don't think my batter is looking much better though.
Well, we can't see it, so.
Miles,
1 minute
What do you
left.
think of my cake batter?
What have you done?
I'm the same.
That's.
Oh, the butter's still in massive chunks. Oh, our judges are really gonna enjoy eating this, aren't they?
No.
Yay.
No.
Oh my god.
No. Because I think you're probably going to poison us. Like, almost definitely.
One of you should come back here.
30
and act like
seconds
one
left.
30 seconds! 30 seconds! Miles, stop!
Bring the come back here and judge us on how the crap we're doing. We got Gordon Ramsay.
Oh my god.
Well, I'm coming to see now as well.
Need more flour.
10,
Stop mixing! Stop mixing! Stop mixing!
It'll probably drop.
That's a thing.
This is my cake batter. Scrumptious.
Oh god, I don't even know. If
It's like dry.
What is gonna be the heat?
So after all this baking, they forgot to turn on the oven.
Yep. And we forgot about 2 or 3 ingredients.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat
What
filth,
did you think
okay?
you signed up for? Oh, okay.
Leo's mum made some great cake.
I'm gonna use this.
Oh, that's called a ladle.
I know what it's called.
Yeah.
I played Skyrim.
I need to stop eating my cake, bro.
Yeah, wait.
I'm gonna get sick.
No,
Oh.
no. You see, usually that'd be satisfied, but because of how lumpy it is, it's not.
I mean, Leo has the right idea what he's trying, how he's pouring it in.
Nope.
You probably also should have put baking paper in, Miles. You idiot.
I realized that as soon as I pulled it, but it's fine.
No.
Is it really though?
Yeah?
Miles, do you think that should be enough?
Yeah, it's good.
Anyone want to sample my batter?
No.
I actually want to see what it tastes like now.
Please drink it. I just want to tell them what to do.
No, that's the Hanze point. So not to tell them.
Hey, Miles, how do we make this chocolate stuff?
Julian, you're so annoying. I understood that part.
I really hope one of you like cuts into a thing and just finds a huge lump of chocolate.
They don't
Imagine
even
that, I don't
understand
know.
the fundamentals of making cakes. It's annoying.
You're the only one here who knows how to make a cake.
I am.
That's why you're judging, not cooking.
Say something funny.
We're looking at pineapple under the sea.
No Leo's cake, that's for sure, am I right?
That doesn't even make sense. So guys, what do you prefer? Dark or white? So I can,
That's cheating!
I prefer white, because white is right.
I
I mean,
pre-
what? Why are you giving him them?
You can't eat it. You can't eat it. It's what's on the throat.
The ball as well.
Who would even guess that Julian is down here?
Help me.
There is no judge here. What are you talking about?
This is such a pleasure to watch, honestly.
Leo. Actually.
And here we have the Ban Marie cooking
Alright.
this
Wow,
delicious chocolate,
cakes and forth.
which probably
20
look way
minutes.
better than the actual cake itself. The only good thing you'll be seeing here today.
Doesn't catch fire.
Oh yeah, okay. And the oven is ready, and the cake is going in. Okay,
There's one thing missing.
it is not going in.
One thing missing.
Oven mitts. No, don't use that. Don't
A
use
good
the-
cake?
No, I'm not.
Is that missing? A good cake?
Don't subscribe to those games.
Subscribe to Movies Games. He uploads every day.
Subscribe to Top Notch.
Subscribe to Sparkling Star.
What? It's Sophia the Shining Star.
Sophia the Shining Star.
Subscribe. if
Here
you
we
want
have
to
the
see
cakes in the oven.
Right, so you're Shane.
Leo, any words?
Fucking there's never any up.
Huh?
Any words to say about your cakes, or just like?
What the hell, Julian?
That's what's from my bio.
Fraser?
The dad that leaves you.
Tell your parents to not sue me if you die.
Understandable.
I get your comic books and your TV
You're eating them as well, Julian.
and your friends.
Yeah, you're eating my
Yeah,
cake as
Julian.
well. So I mean,
If Fraser, if you die, I get your comic books and your TV and your DVDs
you already have a TV. I get the TV.
and your soul.
I want the TV.
You have a monitor. I get the TV.
The monitor isn't good enough.
Well, I don't.
Miles
I don't
gets
have
my
a monitor or
computer.
a TV.
JK lol.
Miles is now chopping up chocolate with a knife.
Julian, you can take Fraser's computer so you can play Counter-Strike at 13 frames per second.
Yay! I love it.
It's not even my. It's not even my computer though. Lol.
30 frames per second. It's ridiculous.
No, not 30, 13.
13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fraser runs Counter-Strike. What is FPS?
FPS.
First person shooter.
No, frames per minute.
FPS.
Frames per second. Sorry.
Julian, what?
Ooh.
Okay, so the one you're looking at now is my one. As you can see, it is the most beautiful cake you've ever seen. The one on the right is Miles's, which looks
Yours looks really good, Miles.
looks professional, which makes me feel bad. Look at mine though.
Oh, it
Right.
fucking smells like shit. I mean, it smells really bad.
That smells alright. Wait, what's mine?
Yeah.
Miles, how happy are you with yours?
Pretty good, pretty good.
No, my one just smells the exact same way it tasted when you guys tasted
Ooh, damn.
No!
it. Fraser,
Voice
come on.
break. Yeah, tell me.
No! It's coming apart!
Mushy, mushy.
Everything I worked so hard for!
Ready?
It's gonna be like trashy when.
Such trash.
See, this is why you had baking paper.
So, I was the one who suggested.
And no, this is why you
baking paper, and I
butter
still
the
forgot how
baking
to do
paper
it.
so it comes off.
This is why you don't get a cake made by me. Look at that!
It looks like a crumpet.
That does look like a crumpet. That is what a crumpet looks like. Is it any good?
Just pretty bad.
No, we shouldn't taste them until the icing's on.
What you have?
Spoilers.
Okay. Miles has to. Miles, get the spatula.
You got a knife around the outside. Like,
What you do now, you see, when you
No,
record
no,
it, she's done really well, and you can call her over now, you know, because it's supposed to be that when you want
Fraser, you still filming?
Yeah.
So you
Make
call
sure you're
her
getting
over
good
when she's
shots.
not looking at you if you like, if you feel like giving her a pet.
Okay.
We need to, do you want to get it? It worked really well, guys, thank you.
I bet it's not gonna be cooked.
it's not going to be cooked all the way through.
We've gone about how hot it is.
Everything okay,
At
Leo?
least my hand.
Wait, did you just put the metal in the microwave?
Yeah, it's not a good idea.
That was dumb.
The three things that Fraser and Julian are judging out cakes on is the look, which I think I have this in the bag, the taste, and the texture.
Yum.
Will the judges approve?
Julian.
How was it?
Edible.
My turn.
Okay.
Edible doesn't necessarily mean good.
How much do you want off it? You have to. You just ruined the display.
Julian, you're a terrible person.
Okay, Julian is actually we're gonna have Julian judge both our cakes first, and then Fraser comes in and Julian films. Okay, so Julian, what do you rate me on look before you?
I rated it 2 out of 5.
Okay, 2 out of 5.
7 out of 100.
And okay, let's go. What's the other ratings?
Why would you judge on a 5?
Taste and texture.
Okay.
Cute.
You get marshmallows in there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll help you out.
Yep. I think
Well, it
so.
probably doesn't help that the cakes are cold.
So, taste. Out of 5.
How was it?
Out of 5, the texture is a bit dry, so I'd rate it a 3. And the taste, chocolate really wins it over for me, so I'm gonna give it a 3.
Okay, so out of 15, I get 8. Ew! Don't spit back on that. Fraser has to eat it.
Yeah, what the hell, Julian?
No, because it's out of 5, and there's 3 different.
Oh my. 2 people
It
is.
just became unbearable. It just became unbearable.
What, mine?
So, no.
Yeah, no, same. Yes.
Leo.
Cross.
Rip.
What do you judge?
That's it, personality.
Julian looks first.
It's
Why are you cutting like that?
4. It's 4.
4. Okay, so for us to tie, Miles has to get 2 for taste and 2 for texture.
Maybe it will actually.
It might. I mean,
Big of a piece Julian takes a Miles.
it's like the same size as the one I
That's true.
Oh my god, yours is thick. It's annoying.
Thick like a lot of things.
So for the way the cake looks, is it looks like it might kill me on the inside.
It's cement.
Eating it like a cigarette. What are you doing?
Nobody
Really
eats
chewy.
cigarettes.
Really chewy. But not in a good way, like a brownie kind of chewy. It's a
Texture.
chewy, so it's a 2.
Okay. Taste.
Really? There's not enough chocolate heaped on here, like there was on Leo's. So I'm gonna give it a 2.
Okay, looks like we tied for Julian's marking.
Fraser is about to start eating cake. Go, go, go. Battery's running out.
I can't tell if that's mud, pool, or chocolate.
What?
Gee, thanks.
Okay.
So look, it looks. I'll give it a 3 out of 5 just because.
You're such a terrible person.
Hey, it looks edible.
3 out of 5.
Okay, 3 out of 5. By the way, Julian changed this thing so it's 3. So Miles was beating me, so it's 9 for Miles and it was 8 for me. Okay, texture first. That's the face you want to see.
I don't want to eat cake anymore.
Texture.
Texture's not that bad, actually.
Out of 5.
I'll give it a 3.
Okay, 3.
Taste. I'll give it 2 because of chocolate. This is the
stop.
chocolate.
I got the
Fidgeting
same
my
as last time, so it was 8 and 8. So I got 16 out of 30. Okay,
16 out of 30. Yeah.
okay, time for Miles.
16 out of 30.
Yeah, because I got 8 2 times, then you add them both.
How's that out of 30?
Because it's
Oh.
both these two very
Oh, I didn't
It's
eat
15
peas.
overall.
That wasn't covered in chocolate and tastes terrible.
Yeah, that's the chocolate. Without chocolate, both of these cakes are
Oh my
awful.
god, Miles, this cake.
It's so hard to chop. It's like chewy as hell.
It looks like something that I wouldn't
Okay,
like.
presentation 4. I'll give you 4 for that because that's pretty good presentation.
So that means Miles has to get like a 1 and a
Alright.
2 for us to tie.
That was such a gumpy bite.
Make that a new YouTube show, Gumpy Bites.
How many bites can you count?
That was another one.
It's chewing really weird as well. You can
Okay,
tell,
Fraser,
you can
so-
tell he's not enjoying it because like,
Texture first, Fraser.
Texture, I'll give you a 2 because it's, you know, it's edible, but it's chewy and I don't know. It isn't.
Oh,
feel
my
like
texture
fluffy.
was bitter, Miles.
yeah, no.
Flavor and for flavor, I'll give you a 2 because it's not. It's just
Miles, you
again,
won.
It's not.
My 1 point.
You won by like.
So Miles didn't. What he won? Look at us.
Guys,
I haven't actually tried it yet.
Can I have more?
The spoon was stuck to the
Can you
chocolate.
have more? Sure you can, but no, you're a weirdo. Why would you want more?
Okay, well that's the end of the video. Miles won, and I lost.
In a bad way.
Miles, you didn't even name yours. What was the name of yours?
Mistake.
Finger licker. Finger licker. Because what Fraser is doing, that is disgusting, honestly.
That's the end of the video. Miles, end the recording.
How?
You tap the button.
That one. Which one?
That.
That one?
Yes.